Hey guys, boom! Zepto is giving free gift for everyone. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see here, we have ordered some grocery on Zepto and we got a free gift box on the occasion of Diwali. And let me tell you, the minimum order value is user specified, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. And you have free gifts on Zepto Super Saver as well. You can check out. You can check this 9 rupee veggies. They seem to be fresh and good quality, right? And you can pick 3 varieties of veggies at 9 rupees. Okay, something new is add-on free gifts, which I'll tell you in the later part of the video. Now we'll see what's the free gift we have got from Zepto. This is mithai box loaded with sweets. If you want, you can scan and vote your favorite mithai. As you see here, this costs 100 rupees. Without any delay, we'll open up and see how is the mithai or the sweets inside the box, right? Let's go. Check out. Here comes Kaju Katli. This is from Haldiram. You all know Haldiram brand provides good quality sweets. And let me tell you the taste. It is sweet. It is super sweet. You can enjoy half a piece, which will satisfy your sweet tooth and sugar cravings. By the way, this will make your day a sweet day for sure. So do enjoy. Now we'll see as how to get free gifts on Zepto. Go to Zepto. Tap on Zepto. Here you can see free gift or free mithai box is available on orders above 449. For me it is 449, but for you it may be of different value. So make sure you add that worth of products to the cart. Then you will see free gift box or mithai box would be added to your cart, which you can confirm. Come down and check with 9 rupee veggies, and you have two add-on offers here from Palamos and store and makeup store. Here you can click on Palamos and add to the cart the products worth 1500. Then you will receive free earrings, which will show up in the cart. And you can get back one more offer is available from makeup store. You will have free sindoor given if you add 199 rupees worth of products to the cart. If you want still free gifts, you can go to Super Saver on Zepto as shown in the picture and check out also the Diwali deals. After adding all the products to the cart, go to cart. Okay, once you go to the cart, here you see a free gift is auto added, that is the free mithai box. Once you confirm, you can come down and confirm with your free earrings, that is from Palmanos. You can apply even free cash, 50 rupees free cash is given. You can apply that and go up to apply coupon. If you want rewards from Google Pay, you can apply GPay 20, or otherwise you can apply makeup 50 rupees coupon as shown in the video and get 50 off. Here let me tell you, Zepto Pass is auto added. If you want, you can proceed with that, otherwise you can remove. That's it. You can check out and place your order. You can enjoy free gifts on Zepto. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Peace out.